Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a setting that will allow you to live stream on your Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is power on your console and access this homepage. And then from the menu that appear on top of the screen, select Settings. And then within Settings, scroll down and select Account. And then choose Privacy and Online Safety. Select that. And if you have a PIN, type in your PIN. And then from here, select Xbox Privacy. Then give it a few seconds. And then choose View Details and Customize. So select that. And then scroll down and select Game Content. Choose that. And then go to the live stream gameplay, which says choose whether to enable live streaming of your gameplay. So if it's set to allow, you can live stream using your Xbox Series X. Or if it's set to block, you cannot live stream using your Xbox. So just select allow, and this will allow you to stream your games whenever you want to stream on your Xbox Series X. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.